Welcome back. It's shocking but true. Residents at Bamboli were getting tap water mixed with sewage. PWD has agreed that the sewage pipeline has come in contact with the drinking water pipeline for the past many days at Bamboli. The department realized the fact only after inspecting the site following a complaint by the residents.
जेन्ना आमी वचून पळयलें जाल्यार ते पायपलायन ब्रेकडावन जाल्लो आनी गट्टरांतल्यान जे उदक व्हांवतालें ते पायपलायनींत वचून ते जेन्ना आमी थंय उदकाचो सप्लाय जो आसा न्ही तो सकाळी 5:30 ते 7:30 2 वरां सप्लाय आसता. सप्लाय बंद जातकीर ते नेगेटीव प्रेशर जाता आनी ते गटारांतलें उदक ते पायपलायनींतल्यान वतालें. आमकां काल जेन्ना कळ्ळे नंतर रोखडेंच आमी तो ब्रेकडावन काल अटेंड केलो आनी आज परत वचून चेक केलें जाल्यार सगळ्या लोकांक आज उदक बरें मेळ्ळां. उदक टेस्टूय केला.
Have a look at this water sample. Resident of Bambolim, Ricardo Monteiro claims that this water is being supplied through PWD's water pipeline.
I'm getting this dirty water for our main tap. First of all, first day I kept it quiet because I thought it is mixed up with the chlorine. The second day, I have observed the same water is coming same like this only. Then I observed it and filled this water in the bottle and kept it. I thought that I was having a little bit doubts by why it is not getting set up. Then immediately I went to the health department. Health department have told me that it is not their responsibility. It is the responsibility of the PWD. So and I immediately rushed to the PWD office at Santines and got interrupted with the executive department who are in charge. And then they have taken the sample bottles of mine and they have told me that they are going to do the testing of this water and give me the report immediately within a time limit.
Our video journalist from Panachi, Dinesh Karpe.
Now news from sports. Churchill Brothers have begun pre-season training ahead of the 2012-13 football season. Under the experienced coach Subhas Bhowmick, Churchill Brothers are training at Chogole College Artificial Turf Ground in Margao. Bhowmick says he is in the process of completing his squad for the new season. There are more youngsters in the squad this time around, according to Bhowmick. The former India football star Bhowmick is hoping that his formula produces good results in the new season.
Churchill Brothers have not managed to win the I-League again after the 2008-9 season. A lot of instability, especially in the coaching personnel, might have also affected the club badly. Nevertheless, experienced coaching brain like Subhas Bhowmick in his first full-time season with Churchill can take the Varka-based club to glory again. With Goa's Santosh Trophy winning former coach Mariano Dias also in the Churchill rank now, Bhowmick will have an able coaching ally. Prudent caught up with the former East Bengal coach Subhas Bhowmick for a training ground chat.
I made myself. This team, Mr. Churchill has given me that, empowered me to pick up the players. I have picked up the players. This is a more young team because I have gone for more young, new blood from many junior teams. So with some 5-6 senior players. I don't want to compare with last season, but this season it will take a little time, but these guys will, I hope they will do well.
Right now you are having only Henry.
No, they are coming. They are coming because the biggest problem is these foreigners. They come for 1 year. They cannot go back, but the domestic players they can go back home if it is necessary. So we have to be a little patient with them, but they are coming. Within 15th, everyone will come.
So which players are you looking for?
No. We have signed every player.
So
we have completed our team. We have got, at this moment, including all four foreigners, we have got 36. Maybe I will cut down to 32, 34.
Our reporter from Margao, Savio Das.
Smaller football clubs are facing a problem worldwide of having to see their promising players snapped up by the biggies. But the transfer fee comes up as some consolation so that the clubs can buy the replacements. However, Indian football clubs largely miss out on the transfer fee. Margao Sports Club have now written to the Goa Football Association to consider adopting transfer fee rule.
Former Minister Luis Alex Cardozo is a worried man. Some of the top talents from his club, Margao Sports Club, have been lured away by I-League clubs like Salgaonkar Sports Club, Sporting Club de Goa and Pune FC. The president of Margao Sports Club, Cardozo, wants transfer fee from these clubs.
पर्सनल लेटर आमी हेका केलो साळगांवकारा केलो की थंय तुमी आमकां आमचे प्लेयर आयज 3 जाणां वताय तुमी एक कोचे वताय आमकां कितें मेळटलें अपकमिंग क्लब आहाय ते तेंच्या जिवन उरपाना ते काबार जातले जेन्ना तुमी पयशे खुबशे आवटसायड प्लेयरां हाडटा 70 लाख 60 लाख वर्सां दिवन आमकां एक मुगे प्रोविजन अशें 50 ते 1 लाख तुमी तो दिवचो कित्याक एक प्लेयर हातून म्हळ्यार 3 वयले आमचे बरो कोच येयलो आमी डिफिकल्ट जालें आमी काबार जातले एटलिस्ट हे वर्स आमकां मेनटेन करपाक आनी मडगांव शहराचें क्लबाचें नांव दवरपाक तुमी आमकां हें दिवचें तुगे पर्सनल अशें तुमी सगळ्यांक जाता आतां आमकां पुना स्पोर्ट्स FC वयला आमगे दोग जाण प्लेयर वयले पूण आमी तांकां कांय आजून बरयलो ना पूण पिटेर वाझान ताका लेटर धांवच्या पर्सनली ताका उलयलो आनी पिटेर वाझान आमकां पूण एक लोनाचेर एक प्लेयर आनी सगळ्या सॅलरी तेणें फारीक केली आनी म्हाका आशा आहा बाब पिटेर वाझ स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाचो प्रेसिडेंट आमकां म्हाका 100% कितें जाल्यार आमकां हेल्प करतलो.
Cardozo has requested the GFA to discuss the suggestion of implementing transfer fee rule in this month's AGM. The club is also struggling financially and wants the business community to help. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.